Welcome back, guys. So I'm over here to work on the car again, and I do have some bad news. I did misplace one of my memory cards with a bunch of old videos that I made like a couple weeks back, and I absolutely cannot find that memory card. But anyways, I do have some footage of when I was working. I'm gonna try to put all of that into one video, and hopefully you guys could kind of piece together what was going on and try to understand it. I do apologize again. Remember, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I try my best to get back at all you guys. Garage again, and it's a little bit chillier, but not too bad. So the car is kind of like on pause right now because of I need the rocker panels to weld up here. But when I was looking at them online, they were really expensive. On eBay, they were close to $400 for both of them. On zcar.com, they were $98 plus $68 shipping, and I wasn't gonna pay that for one rocker panel, and I need two of them. So I kind of think that was unfair. So I went to my local metal shop today, and I went over there, and I told them basically what I needed, and they're gonna hook me up. So both of them, they're gonna bend them and make them exactly to fit on here, and they're only charging me $60. So $60 a both. How can I go wrong with that? So tomorrow I think I should get those. So today what I'm doing, I am actually working on the front suspension on the car. So I'm actually taking apart the front suspension right now. I already took apart the rear suspension. I'm not sure, probably by the end of the week I'm going to start cleaning up that type of stuff. I spilled some oil. I need to get that soaked up. But I'm going to start working on the front suspension now and start taking it apart and probably bag all the screws and stuff so I don't lose anything, because that's like the biggest pain in the ass when you're trying to put it back together and you can't find half of the stuff to put it back together. Let me know how the audio is. I kind of got, I think they call it a dead cat for my microphone, because some of the other videos that I've done already, they're kind of windy. That like when I'm filming outside and stuff, they're like really windy. So let me know if you guys want me to go back to the old sponge or if the deck cat's working fine. But yeah, let's get to this and take this apart, and I'm probably gonna call it a night after that, because I think it's like 7:30, 8 o'clock outside right now, and it's kind of chilly in here. It's been a very nice day, but yeah, I gotta go home and do some stuff. So let's start working on this. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown on what's been done to the car, because I did do some work off camera on the car. All the welding on the bottom of the car is finished, so I'm just waiting on the rocker panels to be done so I can undercoat the car and start putting the suspension back on. Because I'm not gonna do the body work on the rotisserie. I want to drop the car back down on the floor before I start doing the body work. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get working on this front suspension, and like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up button. Let's get to this.